Request for Proposal, RFP, explained. A Request for Proposal RFP is a formal document that an organization issues to solicit bids from potential vendors or service providers when they need to acquire a product, service, or solution. The RFP outlines the specific requirements, expectations, and criteria that the organization has for the project. Vendors respond to the RFP by submitting proposals that describe how they can meet the needs specified, including their pricing, timeline, and other relevant details. Key components of an RFP. 1. Introduction and background. Provides an overview of the project and introduces the organization issuing the RFP. It offers context about the organization and the reason for the RFP, helping vendors understand the project's environment. Number 2. Scope of work, SOW. This critical section details the specific tasks, deliverables, and outcomes expected from the vendor. It defines what the organization needs, such as products, services, or solutions, and should be as detailed as possible to avoid misunderstandings. 3. Project timeline. Includes key dates such as the RFP release, submission deadlines, and the expected date of vendor selection. It may also outline the project's expected start and end dates. 4. Budget. Some RFPs provide an estimated budget range, helping vendors tailor their proposals to fit the organization's financial constraints. 5. Evaluation criteria. Explains how the proposals will be evaluated, including factors like price, technical expertise, past experience, and the vendor's ability to meet deadlines. A scoring system or ranking method may be used for assessment. 6. Submission requirements. Outlines what vendors need to include in their proposals, such as an executive summary, technical approach, pricing, and references. It also specifies the format and method of submission. 7. Contract terms and conditions. Includes standard terms and conditions that will be part of the final contract, covering aspects like payment terms, intellectual property rights, and confidentiality. 8. Questions and clarifications. Vendors are often allowed to ask questions about the RFP before submitting their proposals. The RFP provides deadlines and procedures for submitting and responding to these questions. The bidding process in the RFP. Bidding is the process where vendors submit their proposals, including pricing and other terms, in response to an RFP. This competitive process allows multiple vendors to vie for the contract by offering their best solutions to meet the organization's needs. Types of bidding. 1. Open bidding. The RFP is publicly available and any vendor can submit a bid. This is common in government procurement and large-scale projects, promoting transparency and competition. 2. Closed bidding, invitational bidding. The RFP is sent to a select group of pre-qualified vendors. This approach is used for specialized projects or when the organization prefers to work with known vendors. Start bidding process. Steps 1. Bid preparation. Vendors review the RFP and prepare their bids, including detailed proposals, pricing, and timelines. They must ensure that their bids are competitive and fully address the RFP's requirements. 2. Bid submission. Vendors submit their bids by the deadlines specified in the RFP, following the required formats and guidelines to avoid disqualification. 3. Bid evaluation. The organization evaluates the bids based on the criteria outlined in the RFP. This involves scoring the bids on factors such as price, technical capability, and compliance with requirements. 4. Bid selection. The organization selects the winning bid, often the one that offers the best combination of price, quality, and ability to meet the organization's needs. 5. Negotiation. The organization may negotiate with the selected vendor to finalize terms, adjust pricing, or clarify specific aspects of the proposal before signing the contract. 6. Award of contract. The organization awards the contract to the successful bidder, who then begins work on the project according to the agreed terms. Associated concepts in RFP and bidding. 1. Vendor, a company or individual that provides products or services in response to the RFP. 2. Proposal, a document submitted by a vendor in response to an RFP, outlining how they can meet the requirements and including details like pricing, timeline, and qualifications. 3. Evaluation process. The process of reviewing and scoring the proposals based on the evaluation criteria to select the best vendor. 4. Request for information, RFI, and request for quotation queue. RFI, used to gather information about potential vendors and solutions before issuing an RFP. RFQ, focused on obtaining price quotes for known requirements, typically used when the organization is clear about what it needs. 5. Original equipment manufacturer, OEM, a company that manufactures original components or products used in the vendor's solution. 6. System integrator, SI, a company responsible for integrating various technologies and services into a complete functional system. 7. Bid bond, a surety bond submitted with a bid guaranteeing that the vendor will enter into a contract if selected. 8. Sealed bids, bids submitted in sealed envelopes or through secure electronic systems to ensure fairness and prevent any influence on the bidding process. 9. Bid rigging, an illegal practice where vendors collude to fix bid prices or manipulate the bidding process, violating antitrust laws. 10. Bidders Conference, a meeting where potential vendors can ask questions and get clarifications about the RFP, ensuring that all vendors have the same understanding before submitting bids. 11. Non-disclosure agreement, NDA, a legal agreement ensuring that confidential information shared during the RFP process is not disclosed to third parties. 12. Award notification, a document issued by the organization confirming that a vendor has been selected to provide the products or services outlined in their proposal. Importance of RFP and bidding. Transparency ensures a fair and open competition, providing all vendors with an equal opportunity to compete. Cost control enables the organization to compare multiple proposals, helping them select the most cost-effective solution. Quality assurance helps ensure that the selected vendor delivers a solution that meets the organization's standards and expectations. Competition encourages vendors to offer their best solutions, driving innovation and value. Challenges in the RFP and bidding process. Complexity. Drafting a comprehensive RFP and evaluating bids can be complex and time-consuming. Risk of misalignment. If the RFP is not detailed enough or if vendors misunderstand the requirements, the final solution may not meet the organization's needs. Bid preparation time. Vendors need sufficient time to prepare high-quality bids, which can be challenging under tight deadlines. TASH, real-life example of RFP and bidding. A hospital plans to implement a new electronic health record (EHR) system and issues an RFP to software vendors. Several vendors submit bids, each offering different solutions with varying prices and features. The hospital's evaluation team reviews the bids, comparing factors like price, technical capability, and alignment with the hospital's needs. After careful consideration, the hospital selects the vendor that offers the best value and negotiates the contract before the project kickoff.